Hello my English learners and welcome to Na's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today we are going to learn British accent, something that is a little tricky and confusing, that confuses my darling beautiful students to speak English in British accent. So have a look in these words. First of all, we are going to talk about the sound of TH. Have a look in these words. It will help you to understand how can you pronounce TH in words. Breath, breath. Thorough, thorough. Through, through. Thistle, thistle. You observe in all of these words the sound of TH is like that. Thorough, through, thistle, breath. Try to pause the video and try to copy the same. Let's have a look on the sound of R, which is a little confusing, tricky, and sometimes mesmerizing for British accent learners too. Let's get into it without wasting any time. So, have a look in these words first. I want to tell you one thing. Whenever R comes at the end of the word, we're not going to pronounce it. We'll drop the sound of R like car, mother, father, teacher, water, better, butter, bottle, party, 40, shatter, letterbox, alright, alright. Try to practice these words. As I told you, whenever R comes before a vowel, we'll pronounce it. As I said, alright, alright. If you enjoyed this short accent video, which I tell you about R and TH sound, and we want more videos like that, drop us a beautiful comment in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner. Keep sharing this video to those who love to speak British accent beautifully. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.